Good afternoon, everybody. Techout here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Unicorn Beetle Pro from Supcase, and this is for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it, install it on the phone, and take a look at it. And if you enjoyed this video and it helps you out, make sure you go ahead and click that thumbs up button and that subscribe button as well, so you don't miss any future videos. So we have here, let's see, QR code for a little installation video if you need that. We have some troubleshooting tips and the instruction manual. And then right here we have the back piece of the phone. We've got the installation guide again. So it looks like there's a couple different guides here on how to install the phone. Insert a coin into the divot, split front and back casing entirely. So it looks like it's already split because we have the two pieces here. This one came in the holster itself. So that is what you get in the box. We got a little protector over the fingerprint sensor. I'm going to go ahead and take the case off my Pixel 6 Pro. I have the OtterBox Defender on there right now. I'm going to go ahead and take that off, and then I will come back and we'll install this on the phone. Alright, so I've got it off. My Pixel is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take out this foam first, and then we're going to go ahead and peel off this and peel off that one, and then there is one right here where the fingerprint sensor goes. Now there is a little bit of a cutout for the fingerprint sensor, but it's not as noticeable as like one of the glass ones. I'm going to set that right there, and I'm going to use my Whoosh screen cleaner here with the cloth, and we're going to just wipe down the screen, because with this plastic screen protector you're not going to want any fingerprints on there because you're going to notice them and they're going to be annoying. Now I'm going to use this case until I get my Whitestone Dome screen protector, because the other screen protector I had on here didn't work out too well and it was very annoying with that fingerprint sensor. So while this still does have that, for that fingerprint sensor to work, it is not as noticeable when the device is on, as you can see there. You can kind of see it right there, but not too bad. And then we're going to go ahead and just snap it into the outer shell. Let's see. There is a port cover. Make sure you just pull that up. Get this piece out right here. Might have been easier to start at the bottom, but there we go. Let's tuck that in. There we go. It looks like we are all good to go. Looks like that kind of sticks down there to the screen, just so you get that fingerprint sensor to work. There we go. We do have a kickstand. If you want to stand your phone up, it snaps into place like that, and you can stand it up or you can lay it like that. Works either direction and just snaps back on. And the cool thing is we do have that that holster. I believe this holster, unlike the OtterBox one, actually works both ways. And yes, it does. You can put it either way. With the OtterBox one, because of the way the buttons are on the phone, you had to, it only had a clip on one side, so you had to have your phone facing a certain direction. It was kind of annoying. But that is the Unicorn Beetle Pro from Supcase. This is Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. As always, have a great day.